First of all, today we hit 93, so that's 73 days of 90 or hotter. We've tied the mark in 2012, and we're way ahead of the other ones that are in the top 5. The average is 50 days of 90 or better. All right, now check out your evening forecast. 72 and windy at 7 o'clock. 56 by 9 p.m. and 45 and rain falling by 11 p.m. So top temp today was at 93, starting this morning at 51. The record 2013, 95, and the normal or average is at 82. Right now, cold front has gone through, so temperatures are dropping. We're 77 downtown, 79 at the airport. Pressure rising fast. Winds are out of the northeast at 23 miles per hour. Here is a time lapse, if you can believe it, in the mountains today up at Loveland Ski Area. That's normally the pristine air at the top of the Continental Divide and not looking too pristine. And here's what it looks like in Denver right now with the heavy smoke in our skies. That's going to start to change. But first things first, you haven't had a chance to blow out your sprinklers or anything like that. Here's my quick solution for the cold coming up. First of all, go to the basement. This is my basement. And with the sprinkler system inside your house, turn off the valve, not to the water that feeds your whole house, just to the part that feeds the sprinkler line. Then go outside, turn the valves on the side of the house to 45 degrees, and you'll find a little spot here, a little drain place. If you take a flat blade screwdriver, you can open that and drain out what's left of the water. Then put a blanket over the exposed pipes. It'll be fine. Also, make sure you disconnect your hose with the cold weather that's coming up over the next couple of days. All right, that's smoke right there, folks, and that's continuing to stream out from the Cameron Peak fire. But to the north of us, that is rain and snow. So here's what happens tonight. The cold front pushing through right now, and that's going to continue to sweep southward. As it does, we get the wind, some blowing dust, then we get rain, and later on it's heavy, wet snow falling in the mountains. By morning, rain, windy, and colder on the plains. Temperatures drop down into the low 30s over northeast Colorado, and in the Front Range Mountains, we'll see low to mid 20s by early tomorrow morning with heavy, wet snow. That's going to be just the thing for helping to douse those fires. On the plains, it's rain and snow mixed. By midday, becoming heavy, wet snow. That could cause some tree branches to break and some power outages. But the key thing, lots of moisture, and that is great news for firefighters. A huge change in temperature. 35 the high for Fort Collins, Greeley, Denver. Still in the 60s down in the southwest corner around Durango. And as far as the amount of moisture, it is great. 8 to 16 inches of snow in the mountains, 4 to 8 in the foothills, and up to an inch of rain on the plains. 1 inch of water on an acre is about 27,000 gallons. That's going to be great news for firefighters. So tonight it is windy, colder, rain develops, then snow late, 32 for a low. Tomorrow it is going to be a cold day with heavy, wet snow, 35 for a high temperature. Extended forecast, we have action days for tomorrow and Wednesday because of the cold and the snow. By Thursday, a few lingering showers, otherwise partly cloudy, 55. Back to the 70s Friday, Saturday. Back to the 80s by Sunday and Monday. Crazy Colorado weather.